Dutty and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down no offenses intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
Fine. How are you?
Nothing.
Oh.
Yeah, I say nothing. Yeah, what? Where are they?
No, and I have a new channel.
Yeah?
Yeah.
DJ.
Straight out. Gaza man cried. Gaza man insane. Enough boys see the link and think of the link for the try.
Yeah, I hear tune.
What?
I hear tune. Yeah, hear my tune. Fine vice, me and the girl them choice. Dumpling and butter, tinakil and bulla, cheese and bread.
Yo, that not right. Hear that tune.
Yeah, my tune though. And my tune that you make you know. My tune.
Hear that tune.
That me make you know, say my tune.
Tune no make it.
You know, say, we have to get swaggerific with some new clothes star and go enter digital stars.
Yeah, that me tell you no worry about clothes.
We will get some new clothes.
I have a new link with me I pray with some new clothes line.
A new clothes line?
Yeah. They have name brand clothes and them things. With the two away.
For the two away?
Yeah.
Yo, my lad. If you have a link, you have a link. Don't bother with the little thing in my lad. Can you ever go around the other? Don't talk.
Get that man for four. Myself, man, have a link.
Yeah, do your thing, man.
I have this lock. Watch it, man. I got deal with it now and show you. Because like you didn't get my man, right?
Yeah, do your thing.
Deal with it. Deal with it.
I wonder why I'm a part with you, you know. Sure, no. A part like her, she, you know. Would have my Miss World, you know.
Clothes are fit, man.
Dumping on butter.
Yes, officer. To the officer. Hold on, let's turn the officer.
Clothes are fit, man. Lean. Clothes are fit, man. Lean.
What are we on the swaggerific? Where do you get them clothes from?
Yeah, I'm a link to get a link to a new clothesline around Muggle.
Clothesline?
Yeah.
You mean my clothesline?
Are you link? Yo, what's that?
I'm a man clothes, the thief off of my clothes and the back of my head. It will not talk about.
Yeah,
it's what I call clothesline.
Hold on, nothing what you talk about. What you talk about, Dutty?
Hello, talk up, you know.
Our new clothesline where you link and make a Muggle.
Yeah, but you see, you never want me down talk. Me tell you, so I want clothesline. Run on the back of my yard when I go raid.
Look at her. We need an argument to do. When you in a business more back or front of yard, I want to take off my man clothes right now, right here. So take off my man clothes right now. I see you, that big John on yourself. Stretch out my man clothes. And if alright, don't take it off, because I don't talk to the officer, you know. So when him come, he will take it off.
Yeah, we can't strip yourself. Yeah, what you do?
We need an argument to do, you know, because I don't call the police.
Yeah, you will call the police, what you do?
Alright, so when the police come in, we take it off. Don't take it off.
Stick it up! It's done by my yard and then I hear sound up your teeth and clothes, you know. Put up your back foot. No, the next back foot. What up on him? No, hop.
This girl make a call to my network. Tell them to cut my phone, but she want know which y'all stepping up in a me love zone. I never Big up, Miss Fitty, big up.
No, man, don't worry about that, man. When you come off, you get your money. No, man, I'm me run this, no, sir.
Yes, Iceman, you deal with the case and done the place. What on the summer save?
You get your money, man. Don't worry about that.
$1,000.
Yeah, man. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, and my name is Fitty. I'm not focused on a locus. So put your hands together for the next performer. The man called Rosa Rose. La, 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 la.
It's close to midnight. The close thief them a walk round in the dark. Them thief you close them and say that them just get them from upper New York. Me drop asleep and me never know say that them woulda take them. But to my surprise, in the morning when me open up my eyes, I'm paralyzed. Me close them thief there. Yeah, time ago.
Rosa, la, 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 la. That was a good performance by Mr. Rosa Rose.
A matter of fact, me I give a brasser cause, yeah.
A straight showpiece, me.
Hold on.
Let's hear it for Fine Voice and Dutty Voice. La, 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 la.
Name artist.
Them should have worked already.
But no, you put them on the show.
Low. Yo, if you say one more low, I yell on a DJ, you hear me?
I want to find it.
Yeah, don't call me now, find it. Find your girl name.
No, man, let me see the list where you have your man.
Yeah, see them there.
And them for up the show. What am I?
Sing your tune, man, sing your tune.
If I should stay, I will only be in your way.
You see,
Yo, I wanna.
Hey, boy, you swear make happen.
Look on the crowd, look there.
The crowd go away, yes, but you can't worry with me. Where you make up the next
No, man, you have to give me back.
No,
Give me
you
back.
can't
What's that? Give back the name.
No, man, but watch it. What?
Yo, Whitney. Yeah, Whitney. Hey, boy.
Man, for my career, this fella, man.
And make sure you collect my balance from the promoter, you know.
What?
Hey, you must, hey.
So you can collect.
Collect what? Are you flat the show? There's my rent, so my money has to collect. Yeah, that's what, but wake up, man.
I'm rush, man, but gangster thing.
Damn painting.
Yeah, money for that, man. Run,
Not no man.
Who that?
yeah, we.
Oh, me not think gonna leave already, man.
Yeah, man, but done the show and the people them love with.
Yeah.
Yeah, we not done the place because as we not come off, everybody gone it done. Here we do, man. Do like the crowd, do like the audience. Leave, cut.
What?
Do road.
Yeah.
Leave.
I tell you, you.
I run. Yo, so who are gonna pay me?
Nah, man, follow him and leave, man. You're not good, man. Leave.
I know that you don't say I'll give my money. I'll stop right with it.
Listen,
You never show me that.
if you ask me,
I never tell you to give my money from black.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the total fancy, yeah.
You wanna see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize when I watch the video, but not much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy, yeah.